Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first time I'm doing a plan with me video, and this is for the month of June. And if you haven't had the time to set it up yet, don't worry, you can always use this setup or theme. And I'm so excited to share this with you guys, so let's get started. For the cover page, I'm drawing a bunch of daisies. I have seen a lot of these on Pinterest, and I think that they're really easy to make and look so pretty. I'm starting off with a circle and just filling it with a bunch of small circles, and then I'm just going to go around the circle and add a few petals. And for some of the daisies, you'll notice I'm making some petals shorter than the others just to make it look like the flowers are at different angles. To add some more detail, I'm drawing loose lines in the middle of each petal. I also added a bunch of leaf doodles near the daisies. And now, to complete the cover page, I wrote the title of the month in a slanting script font. I wanted to add a bit of color into the month, so I used color pencils to color the daisies and leaves. I used a light pink shade for the daisies and green for the leaves. All the materials I've used in this video are linked below in the description box, so you can always find them there after watching the video. For the next page, I decided to make a calendar spread for June and July. I'm using the same floral design with the daisies and the leaf petals. So I have this month larger up top and the next month underneath so that I can plan ahead. And on the right side, I decided to make a mood of the month page. It is the possibility of having a dream come true that makes life interesting. This is my quote of the month. It is a quote from one of my favorite books, The Alchemist. I have always been a dreamer, but the last few months I was surrounded by a lot of chaos and self-doubt. But this month is all about looking forward and believing in myself and my dreams. I made this floral design along the border of the coat. I always tend to go for a simple minimalistic spread for my bullet journals, but this month I decided to do the floral theme, and I'm just so glad that I did it. It looks really pretty. Moving on to the next page, which is my monthly overview, I decided to keep it simple. I didn't want to make individual boxes for each day. I just like to leave it open. This way it looks a little spacious, and I think that's what works best for me. At the top, I follow the same floral theme around the title of the month. On the right corner, I made two sections, one for my monthly goals and one for notes for the month. On the next page, I made a simple habit tracker. I normally make a 2-page habit tracker, but this month I decided to switch it up a little bit and just use one page instead. I didn't really design this page as much. I simply drew a circle leaf border for the title of the month. On the right side, I wanted to write down all my goals for this month or just my goals in general. To match the theme, I went ahead and made a floral circular border at the center of the page, and within that wrote the title of the page in cursive. I divided the page into 4 sections, one for my personal goals, one for my finances, one for my career and future, and the last one for my social media goals. And then I completed the layout by adding a bit of color. I followed the same pattern, pink for the flowers and green for the leaves. Moving on to my last spread, that is my weekly layouts. I decided to make 6 rectangles that are spread over 2 pages. The 6th rectangle is for Saturday and Sunday both, just because I like to enjoy my weekend and not have many to-dos or tasks to complete. On the bottom of the left page, I decided to make a section for my notes, and on the right page, I decided to make a section for tasks for the next week. And again, on top, I made a bunch of daisies and leaves following the floral theme. I decided to write the dates using a green color pencil and wrote the day of the week over the dates with my micron pen. Alright you guys, here is my final flip through of this month's setup. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration. And if you decide to recreate any of these spreads, please do tag me on my Instagram. It's @Shraddha148. I would love to see your recreations. Also, all my social media links are down below in the description box. With that said, I wish you have a happy month of June. Take care of yourselves and I hope to see you in my next video.